Hi, this is AD Venture, instructor for Barefoot Bushcraft. I'm here to teach you how to do the loon call. Now, you may have seen or heard what a loon call sounds like. I'll do a little bit for you right now. That is the typical loon wail. However, you may have also heard what's called a tremolo. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to do the loon call yourself. First, you're going to take your non-dominant hand, in this case for me it's my left hand, and form it into a nice square, nice angle. What you're going to use is your thumb to hold it down and create this nice square-like angle. What we're going to do next is we're going to take our dominant hand and we're going to place it flat down. The next thing you do is you take your pre-prepared hand and place it down. Make sure to place your baby finger along the knuckles of your other hand. Once you've put it together there, bring your palms together. Make a nice strong seal. Third step is you're going to bring your fingers around and over the webbing of your thumb. If you were to fill that with water, no water would get out. That's a good seal. The last step you're going to have to do is take this final thumb here that you have available that's open and free and tuck it in, bring it nice and close, and form that little hole. You don't want to close it up entirely. You want to actually leave it open like this. Now you're almost ready to go. You have your hands in position. The last thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to put your lips over where your thumb knuckles are. You're not going to cover the entire hole. You're just going to put them over the top. Essentially what's going to happen is through the hole in the bottom, underneath your lips, is where the sound is going to emanate from. So let's give that a shot. So now you know how to do a loon wail, but what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how to do the tremolo. So what you've got the hand proper, you're going to blow and move your hand like that. And you should get a noise that sounds a little like this. All right. Hey, there's a loon over there. Let's see if we can communicate with it right now. Run! Be sure to visit our website. I'm going to put the URL right there. I'm AD Venture. Thank you for joining us.